Hello there everyone. This is Dr. Jake Pomperada. So in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to apply for copyright registration in IPOFIL. In your Google search, just type IPOFIL and then it will give you the link of Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines. Let us click this link. Okay. So here we go with services and then choose copyright. So we go here, copyright registration and deposit. Select copyright registration and deposit, and then here you have to download this form for copyright enrollment form and fill out. Just follow the instructions in step number 1 here. Step number 2, we have several options here. Upload for single work filing, and then for bulk filing, follow the instruction. And then to pay, because the payment is online, so just follow this instruction. And then wait, send the email here at ap_queries@ipofil.gov.ph, and then step number 4, receive a certificate of copyright. What is good about the IPOFIL copyright registration is that their staff are very helpful, no? If there are some missing entries or wrong entries, they will help you out, no, through their email. Now what we can see about this copyright enrollment form, just click this one, and then we will see, no, the copyright registration form, supplemental form, other services. Just click this link in the copyright registration form. Okay, let us wait for a while. Okay, here just download this file. Let us click and then fill out. Okay, so do you want hard copy? Click this one, yes or no. For single filing, just click this one, and then type of applicant, author, creator, just click this one, and then fill out the information here. If there are some missing information, IPOFIL will inform you, no, agree and a signature. So the filing fee for other region, we have only 550 pesos. For big entity, 750. So that's it, no, our short tutorial video on how to apply, no, for copyright registration in IPOFIL. But if you are applying for here in the school, TUP Visayas, you allow the school to have the rights to use your study, you have to also to fill out this supplemental form. But it requires, no, requires power of attorney, no. So you have to fill out this one, additional creators or license. Okay, so that's it guys, no. So that is the tutorial for applications of copyright. If you have questions, can you visit us, no, in ITSO and research office. Look for me, no, Dr. Jake Pomperada. Thank you very much for watching.